All right, folks, here's the adventure we're about to head off on. Rosie and I are taking Dad Daughter Ukulele on the road, a show about music, family, growing up and what happens when your dad becomes completely obsessed with the ukulele. To help make the trip possible, we're running a couple of really special workshops on the way down to Sydney. First stop is Urunga, Thursday, June 18, for a full-day workshop from 11am till 4pm. We'll be learning songs, rhythm, performance skills, jamming together and just having a really great musical day. Tickets are available now through Humanitix. Then Friday is a travel day, loading the car up and heading down the coast to Sydney. Then Saturday morning we'll be doing another full-day workshop at the Surfboat Brewery in Warriewood from 11am till 4:30pm. We'll be finishing the day with a big all-in jam featuring my old Karma County bandmate, the fantastic Michael Gagliazzi, on bass. And then the big one. Sunday, 21st of June at 12:30pm, Rosie and I perform the debut of Dad Daughter Ukulele at the Bondi Pavilion. The show tells the true story of Rosie growing up with a father who becomes a ukulele instructor after her school teacher once asked the class,
"Does anyone have a parent who plays ukulele?"
I do.
Rosie put up a hand and the rest is history. From there, music became the thing that connected us through all the different stages of life. We'd absolutely love your support, whether that's coming to a workshop, the show, or simply helping to spread the word. Hopefully, we'll see you somewhere along the road.